Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin with bank transfer on Paxful. To buy Bitcoin with bank transfer on Paxful, you need to first open your Paxful application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Here you need to enter your PIN to access to your account. So enter your PIN. After you enter your PIN, you will be taken to main home page. Now here you can see market option on the down. Tap on market option. Now here you can see buy option on the top. You can tap on BTC option and then you can select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. I'm going on with USDT, that is Tether. Now here you can see small filter icon on the right side. You need to tap on the small filter icon. Then here you can first select the payment method by tapping on the given box. Now choose bank transfer option. After this, tap on amount box and enter the amount. Then you can tap on currency box and select the currency that you want to buy with. After this, you can tap on the given location box and select the location where you want to trade or buy your cryptocurrency. After this, you'll be able to find the offer according to the filter that you have set. Here you can see detail like price, offer, tax, seller's profile. You can choose the best one for you. Now tap on the given offer. After this, it will take you to another page. Now you'll be taken to the offers page. Here you need to enter the information. You need to select the amount that is provided within the range. After this, you need to provide details regarding your bank transfer. After this, you need to tap on buy option. After your identity gets verified, then you'll be able to buy Bitcoin through the bank transfer on Paxful. This is how we can buy Bitcoin with bank transfer on Paxful. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.